Right, we'll come over here the day just to... A little bit of an update, isn't it?
It's been a week since we've found them nests.
The
They were
songthrush.
this, yes, but they didn't have eggs, but they should.
Aye, they should know.
Unless they've been predated or something, but if not, they should definitely have eggs.
Aye.
So it's the songthrush, what we're going to check doing here, wasn't it?
Aye. And we'll see if we can find out else on the way down and back.
We'll find out outside. But
We'll put it on, but otherwise we're just doing the check the songthrush. Right, we've arrived at the gorse where the songthrush is.
Hopefully it's got a nest full of eggs.
Aye.
Or at least some eggs.
The nest, it looked like it was still a little bit wet inside.
Was it?
Around the back, like higher up, near the top.
I'm hoping something.
Aye. I think it's in this bunch here.
These ones.
Aye, you've just got to go in and run the back row. Hopefully the bird might fly out.
If it's got no definitely predated, you would say, wouldn't it?
Aye. There's got any puddle down here. This shovel just hard.
Look, can you remember yourself?
I'm sure it was just in that. Because this water wasn't here and I'm positive it flew into there that day. I'll have a quick look. I thought I heard something there.
Can you actually say it then?
No, I'm in the wrong place. It must be the next batch soon. Get past these.
I remember Lucas always up there on the back nasters. I seen something fly in the back, didn't I?
It must be that there in front of us. We've just got to get past these bramble. Oh, God. Oh, it's here.
No, on it though.
No, nest's on its side and everything.
The what?
The nest's on its side and everything.
Is it?
I like it's nearly tipped.
So you think it's got eggs and being predated then?
Oh, it's definitely no, isn't it?
So do you think something's definitely been in it?
Aye.
Right. Good luck.
Well, that's one done.
Check the other ones.
Uh-huh.
I'm hoping not to see it.
Aye. Right, that's where we've just been looking at that songthrush.
So we'll head along the top of this field on the way back.
Aye.
So what you see there.
Aye.
And then the next one checks the chip shaft.
The
The one just up here.
that should have eggs, mind.
And if that one hasn't, we've got the other one.
Aye.
So
Hopefully. There's got to be nests and eggs in this video. Let's put the camera back on there. We've got the kestrel.
we see it all the time here and we keep thinking it's at that bridge, but there's loads of pellets under the bridge.
It's always in this area. It's down by that pylon there now.
Oh, just having a clue. It's just like that bridge is the ideal place, but we've never seen it fly out, huh?
No. It's always here, in these trees and down there.
And have a length of time, that's how it is. If we had it on the stand, on the camera.
Oh no. I don't know what it would look like when the white on the background though. It might not. It would just look like a silhouette type thing, wouldn't it? I know.
Well,
It's kind of far away, like it's about a couple of hundred yards.
keep walking.
Aye. I don't think I tried zooming in on it there and it was still a little dot. Right, we've just come back from up there. We did walk down there.
We've never seen that on the way back, did we?
No, not a thing.
Check that little bit wood. next and see if that one's got out.
Mm-hmm.
And then if that hasn't, we'll check the other one on the far end.
Aye, we've got 2 chip chaps to check. Mm-hmm.
And just have a look for that stuff as we can, really.
Aye. It's been a week since we're here, so there could be others.
That song thrush there, I think it's definitely been good.
Oh, you could see the nest was on its side a little bit. There's probably been a fox in there, like, and had its nose in, pulled the nest
Do you
down.
think, was it last year there was a lot of linnets and what Al been?
Aye, every one of them.
And we did find a few, didn't we?
Aye. The only one that didn't get predated, well, we didn't even go back, that's what it might have been. Aye. But the rest down in that little area, they all got predated.
We'll get back to the car and we'll put the camera back on when we get to the next one.
Right.
Right when the second this little patch of wood, when the first chip trap.
The first one.
The first one wasn't it?
Aye, this one is a no, it hasn't. See where that log's lying down across the path up there? I seen a red thing running across the floor.
Right.
It probably was the male pheasant. We'll hear its cry in a minute.
There'll be a pheasant nest in there, so
Aye.
Aye, but anyway, this was the first one we found. The other one was like...
The other one was ready.
Finished, wasn't it?
Aye.
Getting lined, this one wasn't.
Aye, this one was, you could still see through this one a little bit, like.
Let's see what it's like in here.
But this path is getting harder to get through.
Aye.
Old pigeon.
Should be to walk through, yeah, nice and easy, didn't you?
Aye, it was always good. Trying to find, did we have to go up through that way?
I think that's probably the easiest way.
Because it's all thick now. Definitely can't get through there.
I don't know if we can get on the side, like, I'm not so sure, like, but...
Might be able to.
Side there?
Might be able to, like, oh yeah, I'll have a try, yeah.
I'm not sure, like.
And I think with the needles, I didn't want to be getting the crap down the back of my neck. This is a good enough place for the pheasants, like.
You are?
Didn't you know how the male pheasant was just there? This is a good enough place.
Oh, it's all good enough.
Aye. For the female to be sitting tight somewhere.
Spotted.
And I was nearly on top of it last time when I spotted it, like. I was like a foot away from the thing.
I'm going to head up this way.
Aye. I'll turn this camera off till we get there. Right, we'll put the camera back on. Looking at this one.
I think it's a wren's.
It 100% looks like a wren's. You can just see all the moss there.
Can't it really look in because the hole's...
The hole's tiny down that front side there. Like right under and all. Aye, it's definitely... But to look at it from the top, we thought it was a chip chop because you could see through it. There was a big hole there. It just obviously wasn't finished building.
Well, now the next one's definitely a chip chop because it was...
Oh, we've seen the bird. Aye. Aye, we've definitely seen that one.
Right, there's two kind of... Right,
I know.
You know what I mean?
Because you cannot really check these little things. You know, it's... the hole's too small on the front and you can't get in. Aye, we'll get back and we'll go and check the other one.
Try that other one. One of them days.
Aye, I know. As usual. Right, we're at the... It's the only one.
It's the last one to check really what we've... Unless we find something new.
The chip chop's the one that was building.
This one, it was lining it.
We got the bird cannon in with feathers and all that sort
of. This has been predated, it should have 100% have eggs.
Aye, it's got to. Oh. It's not going to turn out to be a wren's.
Like we've seen the bird, didn't we?
Aye.
Building it up like...
I'm going to have a look back on that other video, like, you know, because that other nest.
Was it this bunch? Oh no,
it was up the top, aye. That other nest definitely looked like a chip shop. Aye, it's definitely a cold wind. We had a little bit of a storm earlier, like about an hour ago, heavy, like torrential rain. It was even a bit of hailstone in there.
Oh, that's just things.
Ah, the leaves.
What's it?
It's up here.
Yeah, I know.
I've still got the camera on, like.
Aye, mate.
Makes it interesting taking people out for the walk with me. Just in case I'll jumpsuit. Now, was it these?
It was that one.
Ah, it was that one. We've got to go and run from the back. Just saying, because the hole's definitely run this side. Aye, that wren's nest had even changed where the hole was now.
It just mustn't have been finished and just had it. No, just
Yeah.
had a hole in the side or something. Oh.
It looked like it was directly in front, huh? And then the hole was like, kind of a bit further on. There's a goldfish singing up there, like. We're going to walk down that path and on the route. Right. Oh, I can see where the nest is. Straight through there. Birds should be in. Hopefully. I can see a bit of blossom on the top of the nest. I thought it was an eggshell.
Yeah, no,
I can't even see it, that thing. Where's the hole?
it's
You could-
this is definitely not a
I
wren.
know. We could see the hole from this side last time.
Yeah.
I looked into it from here. It's on this side, I can see it. It's under a nettle leaf there.
So we're sitting watching to see.
Bring this one. Aye, I would. Right, right, we're just, I've got the GoPro, we're going to check this. Should chop on this because you got to get him on the little GoPro. I can see nicely in the hole there.
Can you see them on the screen?
Aye. You just
How
see
many has
them.
it got? Can you tell?
I think there's only about a couple in there, like.
Aye. You normally get about half a dozen, didn't it? Well, at least we found one with stomach at them. I was thinking.
Couple of eggs in there, that's good.
We'll have a little. We can have a little bit of work up here. See what we can find them down.
Aye.
Okay, well,
Right, we're going to walk into here. This little bit of woodland.
been through here a few times. I didn't know we've ever found anything here.
No.
We might find a blackbird or something like that. I
Mhm.
don't really remember, like, but we'll have a look anyway.
Aye. Now we've got a little wren there.
Just in the back of that. I think it's like the horse or something. So like doing the bottom.
Aye, it's just moving down behind that branch, isn't it?
You're not able to see it here, like, see it on the bottom there.
Right, it went down to the ground.
Just on the ground there.
I thought I heard thunder again.
Just there, so it's meant to be
Oh.
enough food. Can't see me yesterday.
No, we had a little look around because it was agitated when we came down. There it is. Trouble is with wren's nests, you cannot really see into the things. To the bottom of that phone, on the back hiding. That's what it's saying. We're sitting about 4 foot away from home when we first started walking down. By the time we got the camera on, it was just like, it just jumped down. Yeah. Right, we're still in the same area, about a mile.
Just a different path.
Mm-hmm.
We'll have a little bit of walk. Like, it looks like it's going to rain, like,
Aye.
not looking good, is it? But we'll stroll along here a little bit anyway.
Oh. Well, look, this knackered birch here, there's a few woodpecker holes in it. There's some good ones at the top as well.
I don't know, they look like bigger than what the
The great spotter.
oh, do they? I'm not sure.
They look bigger, aye.
Like elongated, them ones at the top more than round.
And there's that one down the bottom there. Looks really fresh.
The ones at the top feel better than that top one actually.
Did he? It's like, because this one on the side here, what I'm looking at here, we think that one's been predated because I run the other side, I can run, I'll show you. like I saw on the camera. You can see where something's been in. Like a squirrel or something's been in there and getting into it. But it might have actually built another couple up top.
I can't remember seeing them before.
No.
On the white line.
We would have looked at that tree in the past. Right, got a lapwing's nest there, 3 eggs. You can hear the bird in the background calling away. That's a good one. Right, get away here. Right, this is what looked like a stock dove flew to here. I'm in an old shed, old barn. It's either a stock dove or a pigeon. It was that quick, I didn't get much chance to see the thing. Right, just in here, got a long-tailed tit nest. The hole seems to be on the left-hand side or on the side there, but I've got the sun reflecting on the camera, so I cannot see it. I'll try and get under and in. No, it's a tricky one. If I try to get into that, it will just rip it to bits. I'll just leave it. Come back around. That's the whole way through. The jackdaws just jumped in the same hole where the mandarin went in. See, there's the duck come out. There's the other one following it. But the jackdaw jumped in the same hole. So they've got a nest in there. There's the jackdaw. 2 jackdaws. So what was the duck laying in there at the same time? That's a strange one. I thought they were gooseanders from a distance because I know we'll get them down here. But I'm sure they were mandarins and buffaloes were. But there is a few type of duck that nest in holes in trees, so I'm not clued up on them, so someone in the comments can let us know. Well, we've been along the other path, we're gonna have a look along this one, but the wind's picking up and it's starting to rain again. Aye, oh, it's horrible. It's freezing, my hands are freezing now. It's really cold. Aye.